To add steps counter into the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all click and hold empty space on your home screen and select widgets. Now you will have to scroll down and you have to go for health application. Now you can find multiple widgets, so for me I want to get the small one. You have to click on it and click add button. Now you will be redirected into your screen, and when you tap it you will start your Samsung Health application. Click start, and now you will have to set it up. So basically accept all of those incoming permissions, synchronization, set your goal, click next, click start, and right now take a look. Here you can find your steps, active time, active kilocalories, and if you start walking, you have to also make sure that you've got location enabled, and then it will just start counting steps automatically. And if you want to change this, you have to click on the right upper corner to set different targets for steps and other things.